Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to disable swipe left for Google Newsfeed on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. Well, knowing how to disable the swipe left gestures for the Google Newsfeed can be helpful if you find it intrusive or if you prefer not to use the feature. Disabling it allows you to customize your user experience and prevent accidental interactions with the newsfeed when swiping through your home screen. And it's all about tailoring your device to suit your preferences and optimize your user experience. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, press any screen of your device. Well, next you can select settings option here. After that, look for add media to home screen. Then turn it off like this. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to disable swipe left for Google Newsfeed on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.